Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Squish. Today we're gonna make the most healthy meal you can think of. Let me just go into my pantry. Let me turn all the lights on first. Oh, great in this lighting. We're gonna go through the cabinet. We're gonna cook the healthiest meal. Today we're gonna be cooking Mario Spaghettios with meatballs. We're gonna grab a container. Oh yeah, I was supposed to bring the dog out. I'm back. Sorry, I had to hook the dog out. Where are my containers? By my, I mean my mom's. I mean, I totally don't live in my mom's house. This house here, this house you see me in, it's obviously mine. I own this with I don't pay rent because I'm rich, so I don't have to pay rent. My friend does it for me. I'm almost running out of space to record. But the action of me pouring spaghettios into a container. Oh yeah. That's a good sound. So first we're gonna put this container on and we're gonna put it in the microwave. I threw the can away, but I'm gonna say like 1 minute and like 30 seconds.